In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your Facebook ads daily spend limit. This video is designed to guide you through each step of the process so you can optimize your ad campaigns and reach more of your target audience. We'll make sure that by the end of this video you feel confident navigating Facebook Ads Manager and increasing your daily budget to fit your business needs. To get started, head over to Google and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once you find it, click on the link to go to Facebook Ads Manager. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This part is pretty straightforward, but make sure your login information is correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. Now that you're in, you'll be directed to the campaigns dashboard. This is where you can see all of your active campaigns. It's also where you can manage settings to suit your marketing strategy. By this point, you'll want to navigate to the billing and payments section. This can usually be found in the drop-down menu or on the side panel, depending on the layout of your Ads Manager interface. After clicking on billing and payments, look for a section labeled payment settings. Clicking on that will take you to a more detailed financial overview of your account. Here, you'll find the option for account spending limit. This is a crucial area for setting the boundaries of your daily ad expenditures. Scroll through until you see the three little dots next to your current spending limit. Clicking here will reveal additional options. Now you need to select change from the newly appeared options. This action will allow you to adjust your spending limit. Enter the new amount you wish to allocate for your daily ad spend. Make sure you choose a limit that aligns with your overall budget but also allows for more aggressive advertising if that's what your strategy requires. Once you've entered your desired amount, click on Save to confirm the changes. It's as simple as that, but remember to double check the amount you've entered to ensure it reflects what you intend to spend. Finally, after saving, click on Done to exit the settings. And that's it, you've successfully increased your Facebook ads daily spend limit. By following these steps, you can now reach a larger audience and potentially boost your campaign's performance. Keep in mind that adjustments to spend limits are important for scaling campaigns, so revisit these settings periodically to align them with your evolving business goals. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your Facebook ads budget. Feel free to reach out for any questions or further guidance.